Something that we've learned is that you never challenge an engineer and say that they can't do something, because they will do it. My name is Antonio Ramos. I'm the CEO and founder of Parknet. I started this company when I was in the university. The first MVP was a controller that basically could connect to the internet and could control a boom barrier or an electromagnetic gate. We approached this company, Automatic Equipment. We were telling them that we could reprogram the controller in real time. They told us, hey, that can't be done. Once you program it, the only way to reprogram it is if you go with a computer and you use the software that they already provided you and reprogram the whole controller. I told them, no, we can actually hack your controller. And they said, no, you can. So it was a challenge, and challenge accepted. They provided us with their unhackable controller, and 6 months later, they saw a demonstration of the whole system working. With 3D printing, we started making the enclosures for our PCBs. We can build a box in like 2 hours, test it before we send it to a manufacturer, because the manufacturer had a minimum order of 10 boxes. And if it didn't work correctly, we were going to waste 10 boxes. One of the other advantages is that we can offer the customer a custom design. If they want a diamond-shaped scanner, we can build it for them. If they want it embedded into a gypsum board, we can also do that. It's pretty great. When you put the resolution to the maximum in the 3D printer, it works perfectly. At first, we wanted to use it for a parking lot payment system, but we found a bit of resistance here from the parking administrators. So we shifted to gated communities and apartment complexes. And then Hurricane Maria arrived. We had a previous scare with Irma, and everybody was like, oh, that's not coming, it's not gonna do a lot of damage. But then we saw the images of how big it was and how small our island looked compared to it, and we're like, okay, we're screwed. After the hurricane, we had no cell phone communication, no internet, no power. It was pretty depressing. Our business, it's an Internet of Things device, so it needs internet to operate and it needs power, so we were kind of stuck there. The sales cycle for gated communities and apartment complexes, it can be from 4 to 6 months. It takes a lot of time, but with commercial spaces, it's a bit faster. Well, we had to survive, so we started selling to co-working spaces and offices. And right now we're heading back to gated communities and apartment complexes, and we're returning to our old plans of parking lots.